You might want to add photos on your TikTok video and edit how long they show. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our TikTok app right over here. And as you open it, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom mid. And this should open up our camera option on TikTok. From here, click on this upload option right here so that we can select the photos we want to add on our TikTok. So right here, we can select multiple. Make sure that you have enabled the select multiple option at the bottom left. And once you have clicked on that, you should be able to click on multiple photos at a time. So I'm just going to select the photos I want and tap on these little circles that show up on each photo. And once you have selected all the photos you want, one thing that we should do is to add a random video on our TikTok. So just select a video that is random, because don't worry, it will be removed on the next step. So just select a video and click on next at the bottom right hand corner. Like that. And once you see this page, just click on this little icon right here, this with a triangle shape, and this should open up the timeline option on TikTok. And the first thing that we should do is to remove the random video that we added. So just swipe to the left and to the very end and tap on the video that we added and click on delete right here at the bottom right part of your screen, and that random video should be deleted from our TikTok video. Now, if you want to change the duration of a photo, just tap on a certain photo on the timeline right here. So for example, I want to change the duration of this photo that is showing on our video. Just tap on it, and you should be able to see these marks right here with the little arrows. So you hold on that and you just simply drag it to the left or to the right. So you drag it to the left to make it show shorter, or you drag it to the right to have a longer duration of that picture. So I'm just going to drag it to the left, and you can do this to each picture. So you just tap on it and drag through these markers to have it last longer, or to shorten its duration on the video. So you can adjust it one at a time like that. And it will also show you the seconds that it will show up on the video, so you can adjust it as you like. So once you have set that up, you can click on save at the top right. That is how you can basically edit the duration of photos on TikTok. So you can just tap on next and post it as you prefer. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.